Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to generate a Hoplink on Clickbank.com. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to set up a Clickbank account, and after you register your account on the website, make sure to log in before following this procedure. After logging into your Clickbank account, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, make sure you go into the Accounts option on the left side of the screen and create a nickname to generate your hoplinks. After you successfully set up a nickname, click on Affiliate Marketplace. Here, you will be redirected to this page where you have a lot of categories to choose products from. I'm going to be choosing a random one for demonstration purposes. After choosing a product, click on the Promote button. Here you will be asked to input the nickname you created on the dashboard of the website and optionally a tracking ID. After you input the nickname of your account, you will be able to generate your hoplink and copy it. I hope I was able to help you on how to generate a hoplink on Clickbank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips.